I am Corla Doy. I am a sound healer, grateful light worker, and channeler.
Well, namaste, everyone. I'm Deborah DiNicola. I live in South Florida, and I'm really excited to be part of the Healers Network virtual fair. This is going to be awesome. I'm a poet and an author. I've trained in a post-Jungian technique called dream image work, and I do dream work. I help you demystify your dream, help you feel it and understand it in your body in an intuitive way.
Today, we're going to do a different kind of wisdom. My talk is going to be more about essential oils and how nature's gifts of essential oils can help all of us in our families, in the home office, which so many of us are in right now, to enhance our immune system and to really foster a more balanced way of living.
One of the raffles that I'm going to be giving today again is the 44 recalibration session, which is valued at over $400.
As a spiritual gemologist, I'm a jewelry designer, as well as a crystal healer and certified rebirther minister.
So I'm excited today to share with you how to release all of your blocks and how to reboot your energy system. One of the ways that I'm going to be demonstrating today is going to be through sound healing, which as Sheri knows, and we both share the same passion.